But when we executed proc univariate, we can see the all descriptive statistics. All descriptive statistics means whatever statistics are available in SAS, we can display it all statistics in our output window. Okay, not 5, more than 5. Okay, we have whatever statistics are available A to Z. But each and every column wise, especially numeric columns, each and every numeric column wise we can display the 2 pages of output only. First page we can see the all descriptive statistics. Second page we can see the 5 lowest and 5 highest values. First page we can see the all descriptive statistics related to that column. Second page we can see the 5 lowest and 5 highest values. Then in my univariate in my SAS AlphaDat class, totally 3 numeric variables are available. One is a age, second one is a height, third one is a weight. Then anybody please let me know, if I am submitting this one, how many descriptive statistics, how many pages we can display it in our output window, anybody, if I am submitting. My voice is audible or not? At least say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my question is, when I am submitting proc univariate procedure, by default we can display it each and every column wise 2 pages of output. First page we can see the all descriptive statistics. Second page we can see the 5 lowest and 5 highest values. Then anybody just let me know how many pages we can display it in my output if I am submitting.
2 pages. 2 pages.
Okay. How many variables are there in my SAS AlphaDat class totally? SAS AlphaDat class, how many numeric variables here totally?
3
3. Then each and every variable was
pages.
Then how many pages totally?
6 pages.
6 pages only. Please listen carefully. Okay, 6 pages of output. When I am submitting this one, you can see here totally page number is a 6. When I submitted, you can go for first page. This is the first page only. Variable is a age. You can see the age related all descriptive statistics. You can see the N, mean, standard deviation, skewness, uncorrected SS, coefficient variation, variance, kurtosis, corrected SS, standard error. Again we can display the median, mode, range also. You can see the T test, M test, S test, Z test, probability value also. Apart from that we can display the quantiles also. Okay, this is the quantiles. Everything we can display it in our output window. Don't much concentrate on these, what is mean by skewness, what is mean by kurtosis, what is mean by variance, what is mean by median. If you want to learn, again you have to spend 2 more years here, because this is a pure statistics. If anybody has done MSc statistics, at least BSc statistics, they are aware of this all terminology. What is mean by variance, how to collect the variance, what is mean by analysis of variance, and what is mean by kurtosis, what is mean by skewness. Everything they learned in BSc statistics and MSc statistics at that time academic year. But now this is not required for us. Okay, just we are programmers, SAS programmers. They will ask only what is the difference between means and univariate. When we executed means, we can display the only 5 descriptive statistics by default. But when we executed proc univariate procedure, by default we can see the all descriptive statistics. Other than this 5, we can display the other descriptive statistics like skewness, kurtosis, and coefficient variance, even median, mode, and quantiles, M test, Z test, T test. You can say like that only. Okay, if anyone asks at the time of interview, this is the first page only. Variable age related all descriptive statistics. Go for second page. In my second page, we are in second page only. Here you can see the highest and you can see the lowest. By default we can see the 5 highest values. By default we can see the 5 lowest value only. Okay, lowest value is 11 actually. 11 repeated 2 times. Okay, next lowest value is a 12. 12 repeated 3 times only. So first 5 lowest value is 11 and 12. Then what is the highest age value is a 16. Only one time is available. Other than that 16, next highest value is a 15. But 15 repeated 4 times only. So then by default, when we executed means procedure, we can see the only min and max, minimum age value and maximum age value. But we cannot see the 5 lowest and 5 highest value. But when we executed univariate procedure, we can see the 5 lowest and 5 highest values here. This facility is not available in means. By using means, by default, we can see the min and max only, not 5 lowest and 5 highest. So go for third page only. You can see the variable is a height. You can see the height related all descriptive statistics in the third page. Anybody guess it? What are the icons we can display it in the fourth page now? Anyone? Third page is a height
Highest
related.
and lowest values.
For which column?
Right?
Height only. Height related 5 lowest and 5 highest value. So you can see this is a fourth page only. My variable is a height only. You can see the highest is a 5 height value, lowest is a 5 height lowest value, lowest is a 51.3, highest is a 72.0, like this only. This is the 5 lowest and 5 highest value, that is a height only. Then next one is a go for fifth page. Fifth page you can see the weight related, okay, all descriptive statistics. If I open my next page, what is default output here in the next page? Next page, I mean sixth page. Yeah, sixth page. We can see the weight related 5 lowest and 5 highest values only. Yes or no? Yeah. Okay. Yes or no? 7 a.m. batch. Okay. 8 p.m. batch is okay. Problem is 7 a.m. batch. Not responding. Okay. So this is the 3 variables. I need only 1 variable only. Then we can use var age only. Then anybody just let me know how many pages of output we can display it in my results. Output window totally.
2 pages.
2 pages. First page we can see the
Descriptive values.
all descriptive statistics values. Second page we can see the
Highest and lowest values of
value. When I am submitting, you can see this is the age related highest and lowest value. In the previous page we can see the age related all descriptive statistics only. As of now, clear or anybody any doubt here, please? Now, concentrate on age only. What is the n value? What is the mean value here? Anybody? What is the n? What is the
19,
19 only? What is the mean value?
13.31.
13.31. This is actually total observation count in my data set, right? Yes or no? Total observation count, how many values are there? Age values totally? Only 19, right? 19.
Yes.
What is the mean? Mean is nothing but an average. What is the average age value? 30. Now, this is the 19 means including female and male category, right? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. But I need female category wise separate output, male category wise separate output. Female category, how many members are there here in my sample product class? Totally? Female.
10.
Female 9, male 10. So female 9 age values related, n is equal to 9, then mean is equal to what is the average age, what is the standard deviation. I need that results only. Same as go for male related also, n is at 10, mean is at so on so. Then how to split my data based on that group. So then at that time we have to use one more statement, that is a with statement here, class. So if I am using class, my class variable is a sex. Anybody guess it and let me know how many pages of output we can see it in my output window totally. Totally how many pages of output we can display it here? Yeah.
4.
4. First two pages. What are the first two pages? What are the last two pages?
First two pages related to age and next related to sex.
Sex means male or female?
Male. Both male and
Why both male and female? When we use class 6, first page we can see the female category related all descriptive statistics. Second page we can see the only female category related 5 highest and 5 lowest value. Then third page we can see the which category?
male
Female
category.
male category. Then fourth page we can see the male category related 5 highest and 5. Okay, fine, bye. Okay, then here you can see here, now when I am submitting this one, this is my output. Okay, so here you can see this is the variable age only, sex is equal to year. You can see the n is equal to 9, mean is equal to so and so. So, okay, these are the, when my sex is equal to female category, analysis variable is the age, then female category, okay, when my sex is equal to year, I need average age, I need standard deviation, I need total number of observation count, I need mean value, I need mode value, everything I need only, but that is when my sex is equal to female category. Go to next page. When my sex is equal to female category, I need 5 highest value, I need 5 lowest value. These are the 5 highest value, these are the 5 lowest value. Clear. Then go to next page. When my sex is equal to male category, I need average age, total number of observation count, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, everything. You can see n is a total number of observation count, 10, that is a when sex is equal to n. Then next you can see the mean value, next standard deviation, next variance, next mean, mode, median, everything we are displaying in the third page. Last page you can see the, okay, so 5 lowest and 5 highest value, these are the 5 highest value, these are the 5 lowest value, you can see it. Here lowest is 11, highest is a 16. Anybody guess it and let me know what is the highest age value in female category? Female. Okay, so next one is here. This is the so and so. Proc univariate data is equal to sans helper data class. Next one is here. I need 5 descriptive statistics only. I don't want, okay, I will go for some more options. Proc univariate data is equal to so and so, then run it. When I am submitting this one, we can see the first page you can see the all descriptive statistics, second page you can see the 5 lowest and 5 highest value. I don't want the 5 lowest and 5 highest value. I need only 2 lowest and 2 highest value. Then how can we do that? Instead of the 5 lowest and 5 highest, I need 2 lowest and 2 highest. Then we can see here next ROBS is equal to 2. Next ROBS option, when I am submitting next ROBS option, now by using next ROBS also, when we used, we can see the 2 pages only, first page and second page. But in the second page, I have submitted first page as usual, 5 all descriptive statistics, we can see it in the first page. Go to second page only, you can see here under highest value, under lowest value, you can see the 15 and 16, these are the highest values. Lowest value is 11 repeated 2 times actually. So this is the 2 lowest and 2 highest value, but this facility also not available in means procedure. By default we can see the 1 lowest and 1 highest, nothing but minimum and maximum only. But when we executed proc univariate procedure, I need first 10 lowest and first 10 highest only. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible. Then you can see the instead of the next ROBS by default to 5. If you mention next ROBS is equal to 10, then we can see the 10 lowest and 10 highest. Otherwise, I want to see the only first 3 lowest, first 3 highest. then next ROBS is equal to 3, like that only. Okay, so here now next one is here. Okay, next ROBS, next I am giving next R val is equal to next R val. So what is the difference between next ROBS and next R val is equal? You can see when we use the next R val is equal to 2, by default we can see the 5 lowest and 5 highest, and extra we can display the one more object in the below. So we can see the 2 lowest and 2 highest also. Along with the 5 lowest and 5 highest, by default, extra we can see the 2 lowest and 2 highest also when I am submitting. You can see this is a second page actually. First page you can see the all descriptive statistics, but second page you can see the, so first one is a, this is the extreme observations only, nothing but 5 lowest and 5 highest value. That is a next ROPS. Okay, 5 lowest and 5 highest. You can see the next R val, that is a extreme value. So you can see the 2 lowest and 2 highest value. But when we use the, which one? When we use the next R val, we can display the unique only. Unique means, see this here, 11 and 12, these are the first 2 lowest values. 11 frequency count is a 2. 12 frequency count is a 5, which means 11 repeated 2 times, 12 repeated 5 times only. So lowest stage value is 11, second lowest value is a 12. Come to highest stage value. You can see here 15 and 16 only. 16 only frequency count is a 1. 15 repeated 4 times only. So along with the 5 lowest and 5 highest, we can see the 2 lowest and 2 highest also. Like we have discussed in our prop contents procedure, Varnum and position 2 options. When we use the position option, we can display the variables in creation order, and we can see the alphabetic list of variables and attributes also. Both we can display it in our output window when we use the position option. Here also when we use the next R val, we can see the, along with the 5 lowest and 5 highest value, we can see the 2 lowest and 2 highest values also, because we use the which one? Next R val option, like term. Here anybody, any term, just let me know. Clear means next one is here. So I need only, by default when we execute it, so this is our output. As per my requirement, I want to display the only the, here this is a very big output only. This is the very big output. So we are displaying the moments, we are displaying the basic statistical measures, we are displaying the test per location, we are displaying the quantiles, and we are displaying the extreme observation. So this is the very big output actually. But user is requesting only first object only, this one only. Otherwise user is expecting only this part only. User is expecting only this part only. Otherwise user is expecting only first lowest and first highest value, that only. Then how can we do that? Okay, instead of the very big output, I need very small output, particular object only. This is nothing but one object. This is the one object. Movements is a one object. Basic statistical measure is a one more object. This is the one more object. This is the one more object. So these are the objects only. But I need, okay, only one object only, that is the movements only. Then how can we do that? So that purpose, first we have to check the object name. So this is the object label. This is the label actually. But we have to check the name. How to trace the object name? How to trace the object name? So that purpose we have to use here. Okay. So again I am executing proc univariate. Okay. So we have done already ODS part here. Here I am using ODS trace off. Here ODS trace off only. This is only one time. One time is enough. What is the purpose of trace on, trace off? So when we executed proc univariate procedure, we are displaying the very big output. I want to display the object names instead of the labels. So you can submit this one. You can see here, this is the labels actually. First one is a movement, second one is a basic statistical measure. But I want to see this label name only. Go to log window. When we use the ODS trace on, we can trace the objective name. This is the one more interview question. What is the purpose of ODS trace on and trace off? So you can see this is the trace on. You can see output added. Name is a moments only. Name is a moments. Even label also moments only. So in this scenario, name and the labels both are same here. So you can see here name is a basic measures, but label is a basic measures for of location and variability. Here name is a test for location. This is the test for location. If you see this here, here test for location separated by space only. Test space for space location. But here you can see name, concentrated on name only. There is no space here, without any space only. So you can see the name and you can see the label, but I need only moments output only moments only moments. So first, after tracing your objective name, then remove this one. This is not required second time because I know my objective name. Then ODS select is a one more statement. I need which objective name? I need moments only. Moments, that's only. Okay, moments. Then please submit this one. When I submit it, you can see here only we are displaying the moments object only. There is no other objects in my output window. So then for example, I need which one? Last one is a extreme OBS only. Extreme EXTREME OBS. So then 5 lowest and 5 highest only. Then we have to use extreme OBS only. Now just submit this one. When I submit it, you can see here only we are displaying the extreme. I need both at a time, moments and extreme observation. Then you can select the first one is a moments. The second one is a extreme observation. Now when I submit it, you can see here in the above moments only. In the below you can see the 5 lowest and 5 highest value. So first you have to trace your objective name by using ODS trace on and trace off. Once you objective name you find out, so then you can use ODS select that object name only. We can use 2 objects and 3 objects at a time also. That purpose ODS trace on, ODS trace off is very useful. Okay, this is also. So that is a one more. Anybody any doubt, just let me know as of now. Next ROBS, next RVAN, anybody any doubt. Next one is here. I don't want all descriptive statistics. I need only 5. I don't want all. Like N, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum. Whatever we have displayed by using means procedure, I need same descriptive statistics by using univariate procedure. Is that possible? Yes, it is possible. How can we do that? So that purpose again you can use the proc univariate data is equal to SAS help.class. Okay, SAS help.class. Then we have to use here one more option, that is a no print only. I don't want to print, but I need okay, output out is equal to my data set is a class only. Output out is equal to class here, which means I am writing my univariate data set results into class data set only, class. But here I need, if you want all descriptive statistics, then we can copy the all descriptive statistics, but I don't want all, I need only 5. Which 5? First one is a N, but when we are mentioning the descriptive statistics, you have to use N is equal to, then next one is a mean is equal to, next one is a min is equal to, next one is a max is equal to. So N, mean, min, max. Then you can submit this one. Okay, proc print data is equal to class, then run it only. Okay, this is. Now I am submitting this one. Okay, when I am submitting this code, you can see here. Now we are not displaying. See this. Okay, so statistics 0 observation. Y means we need one name also. What is our age column? Column name is the age only. So here I am writing n underscore age only. Next here mean underscore age only, mean underscore age. Next min underscore age only, min underscore age. Next max underscore age only, max underscore age. Now you can submit this one. When I am submitting this one, you can see here total age 19 observation. Minimum mean age means that is the average age is a 13.31. Next one is a min max age is a 16. Minimum age is a 11 only. So we can display like that here. So whatever we are displaying by using means procedure, we can display same descriptive statistics by using univariate also only 5, but at that time we have to use output. Out is equal to, you can use the new data set name, and whatever descriptive statistics, please mention those descriptive statistics. But while specifying the descriptive statistics, you have to use the label name also. N is equal to mean is equal to like that. Okay, this is the one more. Conclusion point is difference between means and summary. Means and summary almost both are same here, but when we executed univariate procedure, by default we can see the all descriptive statistics in our output window, and but when we use means procedure, by default we can see the 5 descriptive statistics only. Second difference is by using means procedure we can see the only minimum and maximum, but by using univariate procedure we can see the 5 lowest, 5 highest values only. So that is a one more difference. And at the same time, if we need only 5 descriptive statistics, whatever we have printed by using means, we can do the same by using univariate also, but at that time we have to use output. Out is equal to new data set name, and whatever descriptive statistics if you want, you can specify those descriptive statistics. This is the univariate here. So previously by using univariate procedure, we have generated the plots also, charts and plots also, but that option they demised here nowadays. So directly we can use here histogram only, histogram. When we use the histogram, by default it creates one chart actually, but this is not working. So see this here, it is not working only because histogram is not working when we use the preferences, research, HTML also. Now I am submitting this one. So when I am submitting this one, okay, you can see here when we use the HTML, you can create the HTML report. I have selected the HTML only, HTML. The options, preferences, here I have selected the I need output also, I need HTML report also. I don't want to select the HTML. Directly you can write it ODS HTML file is equal to, you can give the file path location. Only HTML? No, PDF also. You can go for PDF. Now you can see here histogram only. When we use the histogram statement, you can see the midpoint values we are displaying. I don't want midpoint values only, I need exact age values. Then in our previous classes we used the, anybody remember? I don't want midpoint values, I need exact age unique values. Then what is the option we can use it here? Anyone? Anybody? Yes or no? At least we discussed it or not? I don't want this midpoint value. In our GChat procedure I am saying, I don't want this midpoint values, I need exact age unique values. No? Next, class sets only. So when I am submitting this one, you can see here, one is a sex is equal to female category, sex is equal to male category. So we can display like this also. I mean by using univariate procedure, we can display the charts also. We can create the charts also, but this facility is not available in our means procedure because histogram is a one statement. Histogram statement, it works only in univariate procedure, it won't work in means procedure. That is called histogram statement only. So this is the univariate procedure here. So as it is means only, we can display the 5 descriptive statistics also. At that time we can use the output. Out is equal to We can display the 5 lowest and 5 highest, 2 lowest and 2 highest. We can display the charts also by using this univariate procedure. Anybody, any doubt, just let me know. One more procedure is pending, that is a proc week only, last procedure. Remaining all procedures are done. Okay. Anybody, anyone, you can let me know, please. Also there, IBM also there, many questions are there. My students are attending, so they collected this one while attending. What are the questions they faced it? So here, what is the option used for missing values here? Anybody in this bar? If anyone attended my yesterday class, please don't say answer. I'm mainly focusing on 7 AM batch. What is the option used for missing values? I want to display the missing values only. Then I'll give it to you. Anybody? Got it my point here? What is the option to display the total observation count here? In means procedure, what is the option? Descriptive option. What is that option? Proc means data is equal data set name. I want to display the only number of non-missing values only. Then what is our option? N, right? N. I need missing values count only. Then yeah, I need missing values count. Then mean means average median. Okay. N is nothing but total number of missing values and non-missing values.
Non-missing.
N miss is nothing but this
Missing values.
number of missing values, right? We discussed this in our functions class. N miss and C miss. Yes or no? Statistical functions. N miss and C miss. Correct, right? This is the C here. Totally 19 observation. You can see the 0. N miss is a 0. That is the answer. Okay. How to, what is the option? N miss option. We can use in which procedure N miss option? In proc means procedure, right? Yes or no? We can use N miss option, proc means procedure, proc tablet procedure, proc report procedure, proc univariate procedure also. If you want N miss only, N miss also, then just now I told, right? N miss is equal to, you can write it whatever. So here N miss is equal to, you can write the age missing. I want to display the age missing only, age missing. Then anybody please let me know what is the missing values in my data set now. Last one, age miss 0, right? There is no missing values, right? Age miss is how many values we are displaying totally? 0. Because there is no
Missing values.
missing values, right? So that's the reason. So then what is the purpose of NV option? Yesterday we discussed, right? NV option? Yes or no?
Yes,
NV.
sir.
What is the purpose of NV option? Anybody? No? Okay. So SQL joins and types also you already attended, right? Weekend batch. SQL joins. I mean inner join, left join, right join, full join, everything. Not merge. SQL I am saying. Weekend class. Narendra is teaching, right? Yes or no? What is the purpose of distinct option here? Distinct in SQL. That is only SQL only, not in basis.
To get unique values.
Yeah, to remove the duplicate observations. How to remove the duplicate observations in basis here? Not in SQL.
Notebook key.
Only notebook or notebook key also.
Notebook key.
Then what is the difference between notebook and notebook key? That is the next question. Got it my point here? So difference between where and having in proc SQL here? Anybody? What is when we use where option, where statement, when we use having statement? Anybody?
Where is for filters, having is for group by.
Group by. Along with the group by statement we can use the having. Okay, so that is a good, but you can say bit elaborate where, for example, I want to filter my data, country is equal to India. So here also group by country, then having country is equal to India, like that only. I mean, you can say with example at the time of interview. Okay, so next one is here. So wait, remaining things are that is a project related, bit project related. So difference between COMBOL and COMPASS here, anybody? This is the second, one more person attended CGI only. Anybody, any idea? Difference between COMBOL and COMPASS? At least we done or not? We discussed it or not in the functions class?
Yes, sir, we discussed.
Okay. But anybody, any idea with example? Any idea what is the difference between int nx and int ck? Int nx and int ck. At least we discussed it or not? This is also. Yes or no? Yeah, int nx and int ck. We discussed it or not? Okay. What is the difference between strip and trim here? Strip and trim?
To remove the spaces.
Okay.
This is leading spaces and blank spaces.
Inka. Picture. Next. Still. Again. Strip is used for to remove the
Leading and blank spaces. Trim is used to remove only leading.
Only leading and blank spaces.
Sorry, trailing spaces.
Leading blank spaces as well as
Trailing blank
by
spaces.
using which function? Strip.
Strip.
What about trim function?
Leading and blank.
Only leading the trim function, leading blank spaces. Don't get confused. Trim is used for to remove the trailing blank spaces, right? Okay. Trailing. What is the purpose of tran word function? Anybody?
To extract the word.
Extract. మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారంటే 100%లో 35లో కూడా లేరండి, పాస్ దాంట్లో కూడా లేరు. నేను అడిగింది అబౌవ్ 90లో అడిగాను, మీరు 35లో కూడా లేరండి. బేస్ అడ్వాన్స్లో డొమైన్ మర్చిపోండి. ఇంకా మీరు డొమైన్ అటెండ్ అయ్యారో అవుతున్నారో నో ఐడియా. If anybody is attending clinical classes, good. If anybody is not attending clinical classes, even you are not explaining these questions, you can quit this as. అవసరం లేదండి, సీరియస్గా చెప్తున్నాను. Because these are the very basic questions, very basic only.